Oh my gosh. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright. Yes, I am still wearing my 20-year-old necklace. I think I might just be trying to like relive my youth, or I don't know what's going on, but it's still here. Anywho, today I am super excited because we have a brand new box to the channel. Is anybody shocked or surprised? If you are, you probably shouldn't be. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Alexandria and I have kind of a thing for subscription boxes. Anyway, the box I have for you guys today is something brand new to the channel. It's been around for a while, but I never purchased it because I thought it was a little pricey. But I'm just really excited to go ahead and get into this box. This was not sent to me. I purchased this with my own money. And the box that I have for you guys today, which is currently on the floor, is the Popsugar winter box. These must-have boxes, I do believe, are seasonal, and I literally can't remember the price of them, so I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. Oh, okay. Hi guys. Yeah, so apparently this box is $75, which I don't think I was fully aware of when I purchased it because I used a $20 off coupon, which I will dig out for you guys, but yeah, it's a little bit on the pricey side. I ordered this so long ago, it just completely escaped all memory that I might have. So anyway, let me go ahead and like grab this from the ground. It's a very heavy box. Oh my gosh. Core strength, core strength, core strength. Okay, so this is the box here. It's gigantic. It's also very heavy. It also came kind of ripped at the top. I don't know how that happened. And this also came in like an outer cardboard box, but I went ahead and box cuttered that open. Cuttered. Sounded more Kentucky by the day. Anyway, so here is the box. It has like a little magnetic-y type closure. You honestly could like hold on to this. It's very nice cardboard. If mine wasn't ripped, I would like keep this under my bed and put things in it. Let's go ahead and pop on into this box. I am very, very excited. This is like not just a beauty box, this is a lifestyle type box. Okay, right on top is something I'm very, very excited about, and I do believe that this was an item that I got for signing up for the box. Nope. No, it's not. See what I mean? I've totally forgotten everything about this box. This comes in all of the winter Popsugar boxes. Here it is, and it looks so pretty. Just glancing into this box, it might be a little bit on the fancy side for me, but let's go ahead and look at this blanket. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute and so perfectly white. It's probably gonna get ruined near my makeup desk. But here it is. I think this is absolutely adorable. There's quite a lot of fuzz flying around right now. Get out of here. So this is definitely a decent sized blanket, probably one of the largest blankets that I've ever received in a subscription box, but I just really love this like fuzzy detail. I'm like sucking it in. It goes all the way down it. I think this is really, really cute. It has adorable little tassels on the end. I think that I'm going to fold this up at the end of my bed. I'm going to do a little bit of like a room makeover redo, so this is gonna go in my room. But for now, I'm gonna like toss this out of harm's way. And by that, I mean away from all the makeup. So the box does come with a little booklet here that I'm assuming it tells you about everything inside of the box. I don't want to flip through this too terribly close so no surprises are ruined. So I'm going to set this to the side and pull out the next item. Ooh, okay, so next up here we have a very, very soft velvety gray bag, and this is from Melinda Maria, and from the shakiness of it, I'm assuming that this is jewelry. So there is the little logo there. It's nice in gold on this pretty gray bag. Ooh. Ah, okay, so apparently this is handmade jewelry with 18 karat gold over brass and semi-precious stones. Although this one I don't think has any stones on it, but the necklace itself looks really pretty. Ooh, it's a big one. So here we have the necklace. It's really nice and long. It kind of has these like hammered looking little discs of metal all the way down, and apparently it is coated in 18 karat gold. I definitely do prefer gold jewelry over silver jewelry. This is a super duper yellow gold. Typically my gold jewelry is like a little bit more muted. Maybe it's because this is like real gold. That makes a difference. I don't think I own literally anything else that is actual real gold. Looks like pirate's treasure. All right, next up here we have something that looks very interesting. It says this is from a Kate Spade. So this is the Gold Dot Desktop Calendar for 2019, and on the little box here it does say that it is worth $20. So that's already one item that has a pretty good value to it. So it has these little cards and you can just, you know, do this. This is really cute. It's very aesthetically pleasing, nice and clean and simple. Will I use it? That's to be determined. I thought I was gonna be so organized and just so on top of it. I bought like a big, like, you know, one of those giant calendars that you set like on your desk and it takes up like the whole thing. And I was like, there's no way I can ignore this calendar because it's huge. And yet, I'm fairly certain the top sheet of that calendar over there still says May 2018. So will this be useful for me? I really hope so, because it is cute, and Lord knows I need to be more organized. Ooh, heavy. All right, so the next thing here has a little bit of bubble wrap around it, and this is from Apothecary. I'm going to assume, I'm guessing it's kind of like apothecary, but it's apothecary. But this is a scented candle, and I personally love candles. I actually have one lit back here behind me today. It's not scented though, which I do understand that some people can't have scented candles, but I like a good smell to mine. The one that I received is in the shade Scent Tobacco Blossom, and it says that this is an 11-ounce candle. All right, so here is the little candle. It comes in like frosted glass. The scent of it is very, very light, like super duper light. Now the thing about candles is they have two different scent throws. There is a cold throw and a hot throw. So the cold throw is like when you smell it just like this, and the hot throw is when it actually burns and like releases scent. So maybe this will be a little bit stronger when it's actually burning. I don't know if this is like soy or paraffin. I'm gonna assume it's paraffin wax because it doesn't say on the box. Now I make candles for the store, and oh boy, is it difficult and time consuming, and it's sometimes not that fun. It can be kind of stressful, but I am definitely used to making candles. I will say that the wick is a little off center, but you know, that's okay. I'll just make sure I burn it for a really long time the first time so it goes, ow, I just flicked it. Anyway, so that it melts all the way across the top and it doesn't tunnel. All right guys, next up here, we have an item that has been very popular in subscription boxes in the past couple of months. This is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and I'm guessing that Wander Beauty was doing like a promotion with subscription boxes, or they had a lot of these that they wanted to get rid of. Either way, we do have these little eye masks here. The only problem, at least for me, is I did try these out, and oh boy, they made my under eyes so itchy. So to me, that means that there might be an ingredient in these little guys that I might be allergic to. You do, however, get 6 sets in here, which is really nice. That's a lot of sets. I'm sure I can find somebody else who really enjoys these. I'll pass them on to somebody else or put them into a giveaway. Silica. Next up in here, we have this. Oh, I think this is an eyeshadow palette. Ah, okay, so the next thing we have in here is from Winky Lux, and this is an eyeshadow palette, and it looks real glittery on the inside. So this is the Sugar Kitten palette from Winky Lux. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the inside. I can already go ahead and tell you that the shade names are making me a little bit hungry. They are Sugar Cookie, Frosting, Caramel Truffle, Cake Batter, Sprinkles, Gummy Bears. Ooh, I do love me some gummy bears. Cherry Pie, Rock Candy, and Dark Chocolate. Ah, that sounds so good. Can you guys tell that I'm on a low-carb diet? So here we have the little palette, and ooh, my nails kind of go nice with this. Oh, and for anybody who was wondering what was on my nails, I got a couple questions about it the other day. It is this nail polish here from NCLA Los Angeles, and it's in the shade We're Off to Never Neverland. They sent me a few of these little nail polishes in PR, and so far I'm really liking them. All right, so here is the inside of the Sugar Kitten palette. It is a 9-pan palette, and these two right here look really interesting. They look like a super chunky glitter, so I kind of want to see how these work out. So in the center here we have Sprinkles, and over here we have Caramel Truffle. Oh wow, they're a little bit on the crumbly side because I put a lot on my finger. These are super pretty. I wonder what the mattes are like. So here we have Cake Batter, and then this one is Dark Chocolate. All right, sorry guys, one more. I really want to swatch Gummy Bear just because I think the shade looks really nice. So this is Gummy Bear. That one didn't swatch quite as pigmented, but it's a very nice color. This is a pretty cute palette, and it's a little bit different than anything I own right now. I'm really thinking that this middle like sprinkle shade makes it like a bit different than things I have been using. So I definitely think I'm gonna have to test this out on the eye. All right guys, and the very last thing in here is a book. And this is a Reese Witherspoon book called Whiskey in a Teacup. She just looks so nice and pretty and put together. It's like such a stark contrast. The little description here on the front of the book says, what growing up in the South taught me about life, love, and bacon biscuits. And I have to say, I've learned a fair bit about bacon biscuits from my grandmother and my mom. Growing up, like going to my grandma's house, it was all about like biscuits and gravy and pork tenderloin for breakfast, and you had your sausage and your bacon plus your fried eggs. And goodness help you, if you didn't feel hungry in the morning, my grandma wouldn't have any of that business. And she would make sure you got yourself a real nice hearty helping. Ooh, that looks good. So this is actually a very nicely put together book. There are nice like glossy thick pages in here with some really pretty colors. So this is a cute little book. It's definitely like a coffee table type book. So I will definitely flip through this and see what I think about it. Okay, the last thing in here is kind of confusing. It's like cardboard with a hole in it. And then it says, P.S. There's more. Open this flap to reveal this month's special extras. These are bonus free gifts to you to try in addition addition to the curated contents in this box. Oh, okay, there's actually some stuff in here. All right, so the very first thing in here is from Bosch and Lomb. This is a Lumify, lots of science words, bromeniodine, tartrate, ophthalmic solution for redness drops. The redness drops for your eyes. I have a lot of eye problems. It does kind of freak me out a little bit to put anything into my eyeballs because like they're so messed up. There's so many things wrong with them. So I might give this a try, but we'll see. All right, the next thing we have in here is from Elia, and this says it is jet lag travel support roll-on. And I never go anywhere, so I don't know how jet lagged I will ever be. But I think this is going to be like something nicely scented to kind of wake you up and refresh you after traveling for a long period of time. I got mine in the shade Scent Fresh. Oh, that's kind of a fun sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little sniff here. You know what, next year I actually do want to travel. I want to go to California because I want to go to VidCon. I don't know if it's gonna be worth it or not. I don't know if I should go. I don't know. But I would really like to just have the experience of that. Let me know if any of you guys have ever been to VidCon or you would like to go to VidCon. I don't know. Just one time. I just want to experience it one time and then I'll get it out of my system. All right, so this is a little rollerball here and it says it's made with 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils. Oh, that actually does smell really nice and relaxing, but also kind of like energizing at the same time, if that makes any sense. There's a little bit of almost like a pepperminty scent to it, but also kind of a citrusy scent. I personally really like the scent of this. I don't know how often I'm going to use it for jet lag, but just for everyday purposes, I definitely could see myself like sniffing that. All right, you guys, and the very last thing in here is Beautiful Belle, and this is a, ooh, this is a perfume. Don't know why I couldn't get that out, from Estee Lauder. I really hope I like the scent of this. I do like the scent of this. It's not exactly my favorite. It does smell a little bit mature. It's also kind of florally, which isn't exactly my favorite, and a little bit powdery, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a good perfume smeller. Alrighty, you guys, really quickly, I'm going to dig back out this pamphlet here and see if there are any full-size prices. Ooh, and yes, there are. So I'll be able to tell you guys the value of my box. So the first item we have here is the Reese Witherspoon book, which the suggested retail value is $35. Oh my gosh. I think I might have been correct when I said this box was too fancy for me. Okay, so the very first item that I pulled out of the box is the Uncommon James 100% handmade cotton fringe throw, which the suggested retail value is $118. Maybe I'm just completely out of like the loop with how much home decor should cost, but I buy blankets at TJ Maxx. If they're more than like $19.99, I'm like, ooh, sorry, can't do it. So $118 is a bit like shocking for me. However, I do like that this says this piece was made in partnership with Thrive Alive, a company whose mission to promote female artisans, ensure their paid living wages, and provide safe work environments for them. So that is fantastic, and I hope a lot of that $118 goes towards that. Oh my god. Okay, next up here we have the Melinda Maria Designs pod necklace, which the suggested retail value is $98. Okay, here we go. So next up we have the Winky Lux palette, which the suggested retail value is $25. That seems regular to me. Then next up here we have the Apotheke. Oh, you can't see that at all, can you? Anyway, there's a candle right here. The Apotheke Tobacco Blossom candle, which the suggested retail value for this is $36. Then we have the Kate Spade calendar, which already said on there that is worth $20. The Wander Beauty eye patches are worth $25. And then these two extras it didn't give a price for, but the Estee Lauder rollerball is $28, which I think is pretty common for rollerballs. All right, with everything included in the box, it is a $375 value. That is with the Estee Lauder perfume and the blanket in there, which is really fantastic for a subscription box, seeing that I did pay around $50 for this. However, I did use a code, I do believe, to get some money off. I'll see if I can dig that out for you guys. Yes, I did use a code, but that was to get it down to 50 from 75, so it's just a little bit more money than you originally thought. So my personal thoughts on this box is I do actually like it. There are some things in here I'm definitely going to get some use out of. The prices I think are are a little bit high for some of these things. I don't think you should ever pay $36 for a candle, but that's just me. The necklace is very pretty, but again, some things are just maybe out of my price range that I'm not used to paying those kind of prices for. But I do think this would be kind of like a fun gift to give somebody this Christmas if you gave them a subscription for like a year for this. You know, they could get some fun, cute things for their house if you think they would like these types of items. But as always, I would love to know your all thoughts and opinions about this box. You can leave those down below in the comments. Should I continue to get this box or should I not? Let me know what, oh yeah, I don't know what that was. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to read all of your comments. And yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I'm gonna go get that $118 blanket off the floor where it's currently laying.